Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how you can earn money from home just by using Google search. I highly recommend you watch right till the end of this video, and if you learned something today, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I try to do videos as frequently as possible on how to make money online using various ways, and this video is no different. So today I'm going to be talking to you about becoming a search engine evaluator. Basically, a search engine evaluator is a person who rates or evaluates different types of search results for search engines so that users will get the best results. So basically, like computers and algorithms, they're good at indexing websites and finding relevant articles, web pages, images, videos, and other media. But ultimately, like a real person will be able to determine what are most likely to be the best results shown for a specific web search. So, um, they believe that humans can show the best order in which to show results. So all the search engines use evaluators, so that includes Google, Yahoo, Bing, all the major ones, and you can earn money just by evaluating those search engines. So the first website I want to show you guys is called Radar Labs. So basically, this is a complete work from home opportunity. As an internal analyst with Radar Labs, you will rate and compare web pages in order to evaluate their usefulness and relevance for specific queries. So there are basically a wide variety of tasks available that cater to all sorts of interests and personalities. So there will never be a dull day here. Your work that you do for Radar Labs will directly improve search engine results. For some of the world's biggest search engine companies. So that like I said before, includes Google, Yahoo, and Bing. The great thing about Radar Labs, as you can see here, it's got a whole host of countries and different languages. So, you can really do it from, basically anywhere in the world. It's a really great platform to start working from home, doing some pretty easy tasks. So, you're probably wondering how much you'll earn. Um, this Radar Labs in particular pays between $13 to $15 an hour. Um, you can earn more depending on how much work you do. So it's one of those things that if you put in the time, you can earn a decent living. And if you are using Radar Labs, you can create an online income. It just depends on how much time you put in. Those that perform at a higher rate with Radar Labs, you can earn significantly more than the standard rate. And the great thing is Radar Labs also compensates for time spent training. So any training that you have to do for any of the work, you will get paid for that. So you basically offer yourself to be hired, and you do work and get paid directly for that work. Based on my own experience, the best way to get hired is just to make sure you adequately prepare yourself for the job. Basically, like it is fun, and you'll want to have a desire to learn and improve every day. Um, so, you know, I would say you're given a few. I recommend that you take full day to review all the materials you receive, and then review a little bit more each day leading up to any tests for the job. And the key is to understand the concepts of the job. Um, you can work on your own schedule and set your own times in which you do this work. Um, and it's great. This job, it just allows so much flexibility and variety in the job. Um, I didn't even know this sort of work existed, but it has allowed me to work from home. One thing to note is you do have to work for a minimum of 10 hours per week, but you can spread that out however you like. So, you can even do it on a weekend if you like. It's just the work here is perfect for a college student or anyone looking for flexible work from home job. There are never any calls or outside requirements since everything is completely online. Um, so yeah, I really recommend it if you want the flexibility of earning money while just being at home and on your own schedule. So, okay, the next opportunity I want to talk to you about here is called Appen. Um, Appen is a big one here, and it basically Appen, it's an award-winning language technology solutions and consulting firm. So they also have a large number of employees, but you can also become a contractor with them, and they provide sorts of services um, to companies, including data collection, transcription, data annotation, and search relevance evaluation. The same as Radar Labs, social media evaluation, and linguistic consulting. So you know there's lots of opportunities as a contractor. Um, you'll be responsible for, or you can get jobs in translation, social media evaluation, crowdsourcing projects, transcription, search evaluation, localization, sourcing, and data annotation, as mentioned before. Um, like Radar Labs, there is a minimum work requirement. So, as a search evaluation specialist, you will be required to for 5 hours a day, Monday through to Friday. Um, but once again, that is flexible. So, um, you basically can work on your own schedule, and it's just like having a job, but a job that you don't have to commute to, and you don't have to go to an office and work with people you don't really want to work with. So this is a great way to earn money um, online again. So basically, many of the independent contracting positions that you guys would be applying for, they pay an hourly rate. Um, but if you do a crowdsourcing project, they're paid at a rate per hit, which can vary, and minimum payment of $50 made on a bi-monthly basis. So, this is similar to Radar Labs in that they get you, you're helping Appen help their clients with artificial intelligence, or teaching their machines or technology to process data. um, if you go up here, find flexible jobs, you click into this, it will show you the different types of work that they look for. I know it says careers here because as a contractor, you are essentially working for Appen, but it does give you that flexibility. So here you can see raters. It's similar to Radar Lab, so you rate search engine results. Language jobs, so you can do transcribing or translations. Micro tasks, so this is like crowdsourcing. Basically, you do a whole lot of mini jobs, and lots of other people around the world contribute to those jobs to um, sorry, everyone completes all these little tasks that add up to one big job being completed. So that's another way you can do it. um, and corporate jobs as well, which are proper jobs. So if if you don't want to work from home and you want to actually get a proper job, I think some of these might actually still be mobile, so you can do these from home. Um, but yeah, so those are the four sort of areas in which you can work, and there's plenty of information on here. You can see they've got a lot of accolades here. So yeah, Appen is quite a popular one and a big one. Now, lastly, I just want to finish with one last website, which once again similar work to Radar Labs and Appen, and that is Lionbridge. So like the others, Lionbridge offers translation, interpretation, internet research, and data entry opportunities. And all of these opportunities allow you to work from home again. So, you once again become an independent contractor, um, and you get source. This one you get hired depending on your location. So you might certain jobs will be appropriate depending on where you are in the world. If you look here, what we do, these are all the functions that this company provides for its clients. And the jobs are very similar to what Radar Labs and Appen offer as well. So you can get those crowdsourcing opportunities, which include like internet assessors, social media, search consultants, internet judges, internet assessors, um, financial consultants, all sorts of different jobs. But once again, Lionbridge allows you to do this all from the comfort of your own home. So yeah, that is about it. One last thing: all these three platforms all have opportunities around the world and various languages. So you can really do it from anywhere. There might be a few countries where you can't do some of these, but I'm not aware of any at this stage. So if you do, feel free to comment below. But yeah, that's about it from me. Those are three great websites that you can work from home. You don't have to get a corporate job and work from an office and do the commute every day. This is a great way to just make a living online. So yeah, thanks for watching the video. I hope you learned something. Once again, I would really appreciate if you liked and subscribed, like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys on the next one.